Hello, my beautiful loves. So nice to see you. Today I'm wanting to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be making a holy triangle for my altar, which was introduced to me from the book The Universe Has Your Back by Bernstein. If you know who that is, she's a spiritual healer, guidance teacher, mentor, whatever. She has a podcast, she writes a bunch of books, she goes on tours and gives these big talks. I just finished her book yesterday, and this was in one of the last chapters. I thought it would be fun to make one. So essentially what a holy triangle is it's a triangle made from wood that has 3 points, obviously, like any other triangle, and they each signify something different: faith, love, and charity. It's a little magic practice where you write down your desire, you put it in the center of the triangle for a week, and then after the week is done, you burn it and your desire will come to you. Really like this idea. I'm wanting to spice up my altar always with magic and fun, and this kind of stuff is just really something I'm into, so thought it'd be fun to make one. I went outside and I gathered some sticks that I found. This is going to be my wood. No need to buy any when nature makes it all around me all the time. And I am using these little embroidery threads. I've never done this before. It could be a fail, but I'm going to try it on camera. So I got 3 colors. I got the closest color I had to white to represent faith. I have a pink to represent love, and I have a blue to represent charity. I'm just gonna go for it. So I'll show you how I embroider. I usually measure it out to be about the length of my arm, then I'll cut it. This could go terribly south, but I have faith that it's not going to, okay? What way should I do my triangle? And I'm just gonna begin wrapping around, up and over and side to side. I'm really into magic and witchcraft and spirituality. I love it so much. I first learned about it years and years and years ago, and it just really resonated with me. I bought my first tarot cards back then. I still have the deck. It's expanded to a very beautiful practice that I do religiously every night. I pull cards the next day, and then after the day's over, I read them. Oh, I actually think that worked perfect. I think all I'm gonna need is a little bit of glue, and I'm just gonna glue that last string down, but this was really sturdy and it was so easy. Okay, on to the next one, I guess. Anyway, every night I pull a tarot card to shuffle them. Sometimes it's more than one. If they jump out at me, I'll grab them. And then I also pull an oracle card, not only here, but also at my job. There's oracle cards in each studio I teach in, because we have 2 studios at my work, and I'll pull an oracle card every single time I'm there, and they just give me messages, and I love it so much. I'm always open to receiving messages from the universe and my guides and just all that divine stuff. It's super cool that when you talk to your guides, they talk to you back. Okay, next corner. Let's do it. Same thing, I'm just gonna begin wrapping. I love that this is just so fun and crafty, and I get to touch nature even though it's freezing outside. I can be in here doing it, connecting with trees, listening to plants. I'm such a hippie, I can't lie. I am a tree hugger. I legit hug trees. I touch them, I talk to them, I thank them. They have so much wisdom and knowledge, you guys. If you're not talking to your local tree when you walk past it, what are you even doing? If there's a tree near your home, thank it every day. Okay, it's bringing abundance to your life. Cool, I wrapped that one. There's 2 loose strings, so I'm just gonna tie those together before I get my glue out. Yes. This year I'm really wanting to expand on my magic practices. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm tying, okay? Just a little double knot. I hope we all know how to do double knots here. If not, I'm sorry. I can't teach you. Cool. Yes. Yes, this is so cool. I'm feeling like Blair Witch right now. But like the nice Blair Witch if she exists. Alright, next one. Anyway, this year I'm trying to expand on my spiritual practices and do magic rituals every single time there's a new moon and a full moon. I love magic so much, but it kind of fell out of my life for a while, and now that I'm back and on top of my game, I'm going to do it more often because I truly believe that it works. Like putting energy towards something and journaling and checking in with yourself and all that stuff, it works, man. Witchcraft and spirituality are basically the exact same thing. Can't lie. It's just connecting with your higher self and your inner self and nature and all the things that we should be doing that kind of got lost in our society. I feel like it's really coming back though. I know a lot of people aren't into witchcraft and spirituality, and I love it so much. Love that for them. It's not something we have to be scared of anymore. We can practice this openly. Okay, beautiful. Guys, this is so gorgeous. That's that. This is my holy triangle. I'm gonna go get some glue and glue these little strands down so they stay in place, but really I don't even think you have to. I think you could just leave it like this as long as you're not like heavily touching it or anything. It will be perfect. I'm gonna hang this up on my altar. Give me a second to get some glue. I have this glue that's for when I rhinestone, but I'm just gonna use it because it works well. I know that it works well. Just gonna put a little dot down. Yep, I'm just laying this on top of that dot. Holding it so it will dry. Yes, very beautiful. I'm so excited. Can't wait to share with you guys the results of this. And if you do this at home and you try it, please let me know what you manifested and what works for you. The only caveat here is you can't write something more than once, or else that's showing that you don't have faith in it, that it's gonna just come to you, because you block your manifestations when you keep thinking about them and you keep talking about them and you want it so bad and you just can't release and allow. That's a way to block them. So if you put the same thing in the triangle more than one time, that shows you don't have faith that it's going to come to you, and it won't come to you. So remember, faith is one of the corners. Sticking it, holding it. It's a little stubborn. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Let me do this one. Cool. There she is. Beautiful. Let's set her up. Cool. So anytime I have a desire, I'm just gonna go ahead and write it, place it in the middle of the triangle right here, leave it for a week, and then I will burn it when the week is over. I'm so excited to use this. I think it looks so good on my altar. Beautiful. Cool. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you make one. Let me know if, what manifestations of yours came true that you put in a triangle. I think it's so great to share your wins and your successes. I'll share mine here as well. And I'm really excited to bring some more magic into my home, and I'm excited to share my love of magic with you. So thank you for watching. I know this video is a little different than what I've been normally doing, but I plan on doing this more often in the future. So yeah, just sharing some of my magic practices and things like that. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what else you want to see from me. Ooh, also, this glove I'm wearing, it's actually mine. I have a website. I sell these bows. I'm gonna go ahead and put my website in the description box. I have so many different beautiful ones. I have 2 different styles, 5 different colors. This is the other style. I know it's black, so it's hard to see. It's a little different. Very gorgeous. Very gorgeous. You need one in your life, okay? So if you're interested in getting one of these beautiful bows, I'll put my shop in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day. Stay magic, stay sexy, stay you. Bye.